What happens with a documentation system like Master Control, it allows us to take a very few people and do an awful lot of work. We can basically do the work of 20 people with maybe 5. So if you look at the salaries versus the return on investment, we truly believe that we'll be able to get a return on investment in just 1 year in those 2 areas alone.
Personally, I'm extremely excited to have Master Control as a partner. I strongly believe that Master Control software is unparalleled out there. The competitive advantages of increasing the time to market using Master Control for Micromed are numerous. What Master Control provides from a cost perspective is it reduces the number of people needed to do the same amount of work which we were doing in the past. So it eliminates some headcount, or it allows us to redeploy those resources to other areas.
And our business has grown probably better than 15% a year for the last couple of years. And we have been able to stay on top of the business and utilize document control and handle that growth without any significant new increases in our in personnel required to do so. Yeah, I think it's avoidance of hiring more people. One of the goals we had is to move to a paperless system, and that really has helped us. I don't know what the numbers are, but I know we spend a lot less money on making copies and running the copier machine. I think that the efficiencies gained in getting our change notices approved are certainly there. And we haven't done a formal ROI check, but I would feel pretty certain that we've gotten a substantial return.
Usually, you know, there's an implied return on an investment and there's a real return on investment. I think what we're seeing is that the implied return on investment is meeting our actual return.
So how do you put a price on having a peace of mind that everything that you need to do is in one place in terms of documentation, in terms of complaints, in terms of audits, of training records? That peace of mind, you cannot really put a price tag on it.
As to Syncardia and Micromed, I honestly don't think they would be viable businesses today had it not been for Master Control or something like Master Control. And I don't know that there is anything else like Master Control. That if you're an executive here, get involved with Master Control until it has a life of its own, until you can't stop it, until it's ingrained in the way you do business.